Find the equation of the line which contains that's an O, 2 points. And I want to say point 1 is at -3, comma -2, and point 2 is at 1, comma -2. So we have 2 points, and with 2 points we can find the slope. So the slope of a line is given by the change in y over the change in x, so y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1. So let's label our points. Let's say P1 is at x1, comma y1, and P2 is at x2, comma y2. So now we just substitute. Y2 is -4 minus y1, and then x2 minus x1. So -4 minus -2 is the same thing as -4 plus 2. Same thing down here. So -4 plus 2 is going to give us -2 in the numerator, and then 1 plus 3 is going to give us 4, which reduces to -1/2. So that's our slope. So now we have our slope, and we have a point. Well, we have 2 points, but we have, at least a point. So we can use the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So since we have our m and we have our x1 and y1, we can just plug it in. So we have y minus -2 is equal to -1/2 times x minus -3. So now we get to simplify. This becomes y plus 2 on the left, and then on the right, this is going to become x plus 3, right? Because it's minus -3. So distributing, I'm going to distribute this 1/2 into this sum. So we're going to get -1/2 x plus 3 times -1/2. Okay? So simplifying further, y plus 2 is equal to -1/2 x. 3 times -1/2 is going to be minus 3/2. And now, since we write our answer in slope-intercept form, we want to subtract a 2 from both sides of the equation. So what are we left with? We're left with y is equal to -1/2 x minus 3/2 minus 2. And we want to combine these two numbers, right? So we want to get them under a common denominator, which is 2. So in order to do that, we multiply the last term, 2, by 2/2. So then our new equation becomes y is equal to -1/2 x minus 3/2 minus 4/2. And now, since these two have a common denominator, we can just combine them by combining the numerator and putting it under the same common denominator. So this is y is equal to 1/2 x minus 3 minus 4 is -7 over 2. So this equation, y is equal to -1/2 x minus 7/2, is the equation of the line that contains the 2 points given at the beginning.